The system is capable of managing data sources. The list of these data sources can be found in the Manage Data menu. Currently, the system only handles JSON-type data sources. Data sources can be updated in 4 ways. 1. Manually by uploading a JSON file. 2. Using the online JSON editor. 3. Automatically at specified intervals. 4. Via API using the provided external ID. To create a new data source, click the plus button in the top left. You need to provide the name of the data source, which is mandatory in all cases. One. If you want to create a JSON data source that will be manually updated later by uploading a new JSON file, providing the name is sufficient. Right-click on the created data source, and you can upload the file in the Upload option. 2. If you want to update the data source using the online editor, just provide the name. Right-click on the created data source and choose the Online Edit option. You can edit data sources that contain simple values. 3. If you want to use a data source that will be automatically updated later, you need to provide the data source's URL, update frequency, like a Linux cron entry, and the time zone for updates, e.g., Europe/Budapest. 4. If you want to create a data source that will be updated later via API, you only need to fill the external ID field.